This video will provide an overview of the RugGear RG750. The SIM card is located in the back of the device in SIM tray 1. The battery is inserted by aligning the bottom edge with the two notches either side of the device and pushed into place. The back plate attaches by aligning the three tabs with the three notches on the top edge. The back plate can now be screwed clockwise into place using a flat-edged screwdriver. To turn on the device, long press the power button. A long press will also power off and restart the device. The RugGear RG750 can take up to 5 minutes to power on and connect. A short press will turn off the screen. The dial on the top right of the RG750 is used to change intercom groups. The largest button on the side of the RG750 is the PTT, which when pressed and held allows the user to talk. Release the PTT when you have finished speaking and await reply. Beneath the PTT button are the volume buttons. Use these to set the device to the desired audio level. On the right-hand side of the device is the accessory port. To attach an audio device, remove the dust cover with a flathead screwdriver anti-clockwise. The RG750 can be inserted into a belt clip carry case by sliding the device into the case until a click confirms the device is secured. To charge the RG750, open the dust cover and insert the USB-C cable. The battery icon on the top right of the screen will indicate the current level of charge.